The 2026 Lexus LX Motorhome is the perfect fusion of world-class luxury and cutting-edge travel innovation, bringing together the durability of a legendary SUV and the comfort of a modern mobile home. From the outside, it instantly captures attention with its commanding road presence. The redesigned spindle grille is more aerodynamic and elegantly integrated into the sleek front fascia, while ultra-slim LED headlights curve seamlessly into the body, giving the motorhome a sharp and confident gaze. The exterior features smooth contours with muscular lines that extend from the hood to the rear, emphasizing both power and refinement. The body is lifted and elongated to accommodate the motorhome structure, but it retains its distinct Lexus DNA. A panoramic sunroof stretches across the top, allowing natural light to flood into the interior. Gloss black cladding around the wheel arches, chrome window surrounds, and retractable side steps contribute to a sense of high-end sophistication. The rear section boasts a full-size spare mounted under the frame, dual exhaust tips, and a power liftgate for storage access, all wrapped in a soft metallic finish that catches the light in motion or at rest. Step inside the 2026 Lexus LX Motorhome and you're immediately welcomed into a world of quiet opulence. The cabin is wrapped in soft semi-aniline leather, offered in a range of tones like mocha, ivory, and deep garnet. Walnut and open-pore ash wood trims add to the warmth of the interior, while satin aluminum accents lend a modern edge. The main living area is designed for both relaxation and social interaction, featuring 2 reclining lounge chairs and a motorized sofa that transforms into an extra bed. These seats are equipped with massage and ventilation functions for maximum comfort during long journeys. A hidden 50-inch OLED smart TV rises from the central console, paired with a 3D surround sound system developed in collaboration with Mark Levinson, offering theater-level immersion. Ambient lighting can be customized through the central touchscreen or via voice command, with themes ranging from desert dusk to mountain mist, transforming the mood of the entire motorhome with a whisper. Adjacent to the living space is a compact yet high-functioning kitchen that defies the limitations of traditional mobile design. The countertops are made from scratch-resistant quartz, and a concealed induction cooktop emerges at the touch of a button. Below, there's a dual-drawer refrigerator system, a silent dishwasher, and a built-in espresso machine mounted flush against the wall. Overhead cabinets open with a soft push, revealing LED-lit storage for utensils and dry goods. A touchless faucet sits above a deep sink, and the water purification system ensures fresh, clean hydration no matter where the road leads. The kitchen also includes a self-cleaning oven, retractable spice rack, and built-in air fryer, giving the chef complete freedom to create any dish while traveling. Smart storage solutions keep everything organized and secured, even when driving through rough terrain. In the rear, the bedroom space is an intimate sanctuary. The queen-size bed is suspended with adaptive dampers to absorb road vibration, creating the sensation of floating on air. The headboard is crafted with suede textured Alcantara and integrated ambient lighting. Soft close-reading lamps pivot for personal use, and a touch-sensitive side table controls lighting, temperature, and blinds. Overhead, a stargazing window opens electronically, offering an unmatched view of the night sky. There is also a hidden wardrobe unit with auto-lift hangers and a laundry chute connected to the washer-dryer combo housed near the bathroom. Across from the bed, a foldable vanity mirror, soft closing drawers, and a dedicated device charging station make it easy to stay organized and connected. The bathroom is a testament to how far mobile luxury has come. It features a frameless glass shower with stone effect wall panels and adjustable steam settings. The rainfall showerhead is accompanied by a separate handheld sprayer, and the floor is embedded with heating coils for comfort. A heated, smart toilet offers multiple cleansing and drying settings with a self-sanitizing seat. Above the granite countertop is a fogless LED mirror, perfect for grooming in any weather. Built-in cabinetry stores toiletries, and there's even a linen closet with aromatherapy diffusers to keep the entire space fresh. The bathroom is ventilated with a whisper-quiet exhaust system, and water usage is monitored via the smart dashboard to manage the built-in 130-liter freshwater and greywater systems efficiently. Driving the 2026 Lexus LX Motorhome is a dream in itself. It is powered by a twin-turbocharged V6 hybrid engine that produces over 470 horsepower, paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission and full-time all-wheel drive. This allows the motorhome to tackle everything from urban highways to mountain trails with ease. The adaptive suspension adjusts in real time for maximum comfort, and the cabin remains whisper quiet even at high speeds thanks to advanced noise cancellation technology and triple-sealed windows. The digital cockpit includes a 14-inch infotainment touchscreen, a fully digital driver's cluster, head-up display, and AI-based navigation that adapts to weather and traffic conditions. Voice-activated controls allow the driver to manage vehicle systems, entertainment, and cabin features without taking their hands off the wheel. Advanced safety features like pedestrian detection, 360-degree cameras, automatic braking, and lane centering assistance ensure peace of mind at every mile. Connectivity is another highlight of the 2026 Lexus LX Motorhome. It comes equipped with satellite internet, 5G Wi-Fi, and smart home controls that allow travelers to sync the motorhome with mobile apps for climate control, lighting, and security even from a distance. There are wireless charging pads built into every surface from the kitchen counter to the nightstand, and every window features electrochromic glass that can be tinted for privacy or sun protection with the tap of a button. An outdoor entertainment system includes weatherproof speakers, a retractable projector screen, and a modular barbecue setup that slides out from the rear compartment. This makes the motorhome equally suited for tailgating parties, beach cookouts, or quiet evenings under the stars. Storage has been maximized using innovative engineering. Underfloor compartments store everything from luggage to outdoor gear. A side-access garage space at the rear holds bicycles, camping furniture, and emergency equipment. The entrance features a hydraulic step system, motion lighting, and a fingerprint-activated door lock for added security. Even the roof isn't wasted. It houses solar panels that feed into a high-capacity lithium battery system, giving travelers the option to go completely off-grid for days at a time. Every inch of the 2026 Lexus LX Motorhome reflects an obsession with craftsmanship, comfort, and innovation. It redefines what it means to travel in luxury, transforming the journey itself into a destination worth savoring. Whether you're crossing countries or parking by the lake for a peaceful weekend retreat, this motorhome turns every trip into a 5-star experience. It's more than just mobility. It's a lifestyle, where Lexus reliability meets modern travel freedom in the most elegant form imaginable.